As cybercrime continues to be a growing concern for organizations worldwide, as technology continues to play an important role in our daily lives, cyber attacks can result in significant financial losses, harm to reputation, and disruption of operations. To combat these threats, organizations are seeking new and innovative methods to protect themselves. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are increasingly being used in the cybersecurity industry to revolutionize the way organizations defend against cybercrime. The utilization of AI in cybersecurity involves the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of data in real time. This process is much more effective than traditional security methods, which are often manual and rely on rules-based systems. Automation helps to streamline the process of identifying and responding to potential threats, leading to quicker and more accurate responses. This, in turn, reduces the risk of a successful attack. One company that is using AI and automation to revolutionize cybersecurity is Mayhem Shield. This Security Operations Center (SOC) uses AI and machine learning algorithms to continuously monitor and protect its clients against cyber threats. The platform analyzes data from various sources, such as network logs, user activity, and threat intelligence feeds, to identify potential threats and respond to them in real time. A financial institution that was targeted by a phishing attack serves as an example of how AI and automation can be used to protect against cyber threats. The attackers managed to obtain sensitive information and steal large sums of money from the institution's customers. However, Mayhem Shield was able to quickly identify the attack and prevent any further damage, saving the financial institution from financial losses and protecting its reputation. Another example is a healthcare organization that was impacted by a ransomware attack. The attack resulted in the encryption of the organization's critical systems, and the attackers demanded a ransom payment. Mayhem Shield was able to quickly identify the attack and prevent any further systems from being encrypted. The organization was able to restore its systems from backups without paying the ransom, avoiding a significant financial loss. The use of AI and automation in cybersecurity has the potential to save organizations a significant amount of money. A recent report from Accenture found that AI-powered cybersecurity solutions can reduce the cost of a data breach by as much as 50%. This is because AI-powered solutions are able to detect and respond to threats more efficiently and accurately, reducing the likelihood of a successful attack. In conclusion, the use of AI and automation in cybersecurity is becoming increasingly crucial in protecting organizations against evolving cyber threats. By automating the process of identifying and responding to potential threats, organizations can reduce the risk of a successful attack and save significant amounts of money. Companies like Mayhem Shield are at the forefront of this revolution, leading the way in using AI and automation to improve cybersecurity and protect against cybercrime.